Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the viral keyboard ASMR video on Hailuo. So if you go to explore and select this one, I'm just going to select try now. You can also copy prompt, but I don't think this is the prompt. I'm just going to select try now here. Enter the keyboard material that you want. I'm going to type in purple jello. Then I'm going to press enter here. And I'm going to wait for it to generate the video. As you can see, it is more like you need like more credits for this one instead of just like creating your own prompt. So okay, it's going to generate the description for me. And it's going to generate the video as well. So it does take a few seconds to generate. I thought it wasn't going to generate the video. I was like so confused. I'm like, is it just generating a prompt for me? I'm like, no. So I've seen these a lot on TikTok. I'm not the biggest fan, honestly, but these are pretty satisfying to see. And I've seen a lot of people have like a lot of views because of it as well. So I think this is good if you just want to upload something. Again, you do need credits for this one, like a lot. So I'm just gonna wait. Just be patient. All right. So just type in the material that you want. Just don't put any other text. I put like I want the material to be blah blah blah, and it didn't generate. So just type in like either purple jello or like marshmallow or caramel or do people say caramel or caramel? Like, what's the debate on that? And then you can do clouds and then galaxy. I've seen a lot of people do lava as well. That's pretty famous right now, but okay, 95%. Oh. And this is what it looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.